Hi, I'm Suraj Barjatia, and big congratulations to Rashtree Food for completing 10 years.
Hey guys, it's me, the Bombay Chef Varun Namdar, and welcome to Rajshri Food. This episode today is honoring one of the most amazing craftsmen in the Indian cinema, a terrific writer, and one of the most prolific directors. This is none other than Mr. Suraj Barjatia, who's been entertaining us for the last 3 decades.
I would say my favorite food is bhindi, I do not know what to call in English, but chawla fali, and I love cucumber. You can give me as much cucumber as you want, cucumber, tomato salad. So that's it.
So, you've heard the man. His favorites, chola fali ki sabzi. So here's, ladies and gentlemen, an absolute ode to the man, the evergreen Mr. Suraj Barjatia. The recipe for the day, chola fali ki sabzi, Rajasthani style. Let's begin. Well, chola fali for the uninitiated are these yard-long beans. They look like these. They are literally from the runner bean family. The idea is to snip both the ends off, like so, string it, and then you club all these together and cut these into little bits. When I say little bits, I mean something on these lines. Well, there are 2 ways in which you can cut these or string these. The first step is to snip the ends off and remove the strings, if any. The second step again is to knock the ends off, string if any, and then the idea is to cluster all these together like so and cut these. Well, if these yard-long beans are tender, that's how you cut these. If at all, they're slightly stringy and slightly older in nature, you strip these off completely and then you remove the beans from within and collect those as well along with this. So you have a mixture of the yard-long beans and the beans. Remember this. The next step is to start cutting some onions finely. With this, let's also cut in some tomatoes. Our yard-long beans are cut and ready. Onions, tomatoes, both are cut and ready. The next step is heat oil in a wok, as they say it in cookbooks. Well, of course, by all means, you can also use a kadhai, because I understand in most homes, that's the easiest available cookware. Once the oil heats up, let's add in cumin seeds. Once they crackle, fenugreek seeds, and along with this, red onions. Let's toss this well. Once the red onions are sauteed for a minute or so, we'll add in chopped green chilies. Less or more is a complete personal choice. And along with this, paste of ginger and garlic. While ginger and garlic are possibly 2 of the thickest friends in Indian cuisine. Unchai the film, which is Surajji's latest offering, is all about friendship. A wonderful story about friends and friendship. If you haven't watched it, watch it. Let's add in chopped tomatoes. Saute this for say 30 to 40 seconds on high flame, very importantly. And once this happens, we're going to add in some powder spices. It's a very simple home-style recipe, simple home-style ingredients. Beginning with coriander powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder, a touch of salt. Let's mix this well. Let's add in some water. Once oil starts leaving the sides of the pan, we add in the chopped yard-long beans. Let's mix this well. To this, one last step, let's add in a little bit of water. It's primarily and essentially a dry sabzi. Let's cover this and cook it for 15 minutes on medium to low flame, or till the yard-long beans are perfectly cooked. Off goes the flame and the beans straight in the serving bowl. With this, chola phali ki sabzi is done and ready. I'm sending this straight to Surajji for him to taste this and let me know how he likes it. I want you to do the same thing. Make this vegetable for your family, for your friends, and let me know in the comments section how you like it. This is me, the Bombay Chef, Varun Inamdar, signing off. Bye for now.